And when AI text-to-speech tools start sounding almost human, the comparison between Speechify and Natural Reader becomes hard to ignore. But choosing the better one isn't just about voice quality. It's about how clarity, features, and pricing all connect together. Starting with voice quality, Speechify is widely known for its highly natural and expressive AI voices. It offers celebrity-style voices and advanced AI narration that sounds more human, especially for long-form content. Natural Reader also provides realistic voices, but its best ones are mostly locked behind premium plans, while the free voices can feel slightly robotic, and that difference becomes noticeable over time. Now, talking about AI clarity, both tools are strong, but they approach it differently. Speechify focuses on smooth delivery and listening comfort, which makes it great for audiobooks, articles, and long sessions. Natural Reader, on the other hand, emphasizes accuracy and flexibility, especially with features like OCR that can convert scanned documents into speech. So, while Speechify feels more polished, Natural Reader feels more versatile, and that naturally connects to how you plan to use it. When it comes to ease of use, Speechify offers a very clean and modern interface, making it easy to import content and start listening instantly across devices. Natural Reader is also beginner-friendly, but its interface feels slightly more traditional, especially on desktop, although it still gets the job done efficiently. Let's talk about pricing, because this is where a clear distinction appears. Speechify typically runs on a subscription model, often around $10 to $20 per month, depending on the plan, and features like premium voices. Natural Reader offers a free version, along with paid plans starting around $10 to $20 per month, and even lifetime purchase options, which can be more cost-effective in the long run. So while both tools have similar monthly pricing, Natural Reader provides more flexibility with one-time payments. Looking at pros and cons, Speechify stands out for its voice quality and listening experience, but it can feel expensive over time. Natural Reader offers more flexibility and broader functionality, but its free-tier voice quality may not match Speechify's premium feel. So when you connect everything together, the choice becomes clearer. If your priority is the most natural, high-quality listening experience, Speechify is the stronger option. But if you want flexibility, additional features, and better long-term pricing options, Natural Reader holds its ground. And that balance is what ultimately determines which tool fits your needs best. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.